welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here for you we have a 2010 Toyota Aurion GSV 40R series 3.5 V6 automatic as they are. It's here because it's got a dud transmission. The automatic's expired. It's a good tidy car, so we're going to dismantle it. I'll just get the compliance plate here for you. Here we go. Get some focus. 12th 2010. Just pop the bonnet. Got 165,000 Ks, good clean front on it. Doors, one door's damaged, there's our engine. Turning away nicely. Pop the cover off. Right, 2GR-FE engine, 3.5 V6. There we go. As I say, it's here because the transmission's had it. So basically panel wise we've got a good clean tidy car. The front bar's got a nick down here. We've got good headlights, bonnet, guards. Jump in here and get some kilometres for you. 165,382 kilometres. Tidy car, it's an ATX base model. Standard fare. Console just come off there. Clean cloth trims. One tiny mark on the door there. It's a good set of wheels, good boot lid, and we've got a dent down there. So that's it. It's here for dismantling, so if you need any Aurion parts or any other car parts, give us a call on 02 4646 1733. We'll be only too glad to help you out. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.